All right, we are coming to you absolutely live from Chennai. This is the Officers Training Academy. We are here for a very special reason. It's the 10th of September 2016, and I'm here to attend and receive the passing of parade of a boy who at one point of time used to teach me how to do a salute. And today it's a pride and an honor for me to salute to Lieutenant Deepak Mishra. Sir. Deepak and as we all know, for me and Deepak हमने बहुत सारा वक्त साथ में बिताया है. And for all those people who knew Deepak, they knew it very well that he was always a very righteous man, always wanted to do things for the country. And today he is an army officer. You're a lieutenant, aren't you?
Yes, I am a lieutenant right now. Lieutenant Deepak.
Lieutenant Deepak Mishra.
I have a prefix in my name now.
दीपक आज से साल भर पहले तू रेडियो पे था?
बिल्कुल, ऑल इंडिया रेडियो पे नाइट शोज करता था मैं.
So in a way, technically, is this right that you're the first radio jockey to have become an army officer?
Exactly. I have not heard about any radio jockey becoming an army officer, and it's
Army officers आगे चल के जो भी चाहे बन सकते हैं.
exactly.
आप क्या बन? Now that you're in the army, it's too early there today. You've just passed out, but post retirement or something like that, have you thought of something?
I'll definitely make films on army.
That's true. But the special part about Deepak being in the army, पिछले एक साल से ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी में जो ट्रेनिंग इसने करी है, जो ये ऑफिसर बना है, वो तो अपने आप में सही है ही सही. लेकिन द मोस्ट अमेजिंग पार्ट इज दे कॉल यू द बिगेस्ट एंटरटेनर अराउंड हियर. व्हाट हैव यू बीन डूइंग? क्या करा तुमने? तो मतलब बेसिकली रेडियो से जो सीखा वो तुमने आर्मी को दिया है कि नहीं?
So you can say that your past will always follow you. What I was doing in media, the exact things I did here, लोगों को हंसाना, just having that jolly nature, it just keeps the morale high of the troops and everyone.
And in the army you require that, isn't
Exactly.
it? Because it is said that army is a very serious place, is it?
And you need some people to, boost up the morale. लोगों के troops के when the chips are down, that's the time that you need someone to make you laugh and get you back charged up.
We saw a certificate in which you were given the Music and Drama Award.
That was the best music and dramatics award I got from this academy.
That's of course a light-hearted conversation, but that's not exactly what Deepak did all throughout the time. How tough was this being Lieutenant Deepak Mishra? Because मुझे याद है आज से साल डेढ़ साल पहले. In fact, take a look at this video. जो वीडियो अब आप देखने वाले is the video of Deepak Mishra leaving Mumbai for Chennai. This was it. It was a pleasure and a privilege to have you on, and I hope that you take our country forward. You're on our way to serve your motherland, sir. It was a pleasure. Time to say goodbye. I want to hug you. This is your esteemed three-wheeler is waiting for you, sir. Right ahead. Of course, sir. The one and only Ivan Ganju on his way to drop you off. Goodbye, sir. No, that was Deepak Mishra leaving Andheri office, जहाँ पर हम लोग सब साथ में काम किया करते थे. And today we have Deepak Mishra as Lieutenant Deepak Mishra. This is as wonderful as it gets. You should be thankful we took that video, no?
बिल्कुल.
You remember that day?
I still remember leaving that house, leaving my office, and everyone saluting me. for this place. Or finally, we are here getting the salutes.
Absolutely. And speaking about एक बहुत ही interesting बात बताई थी दीपक आपने थोड़ी देर पहले. I would like you to say that on my podcast also. By the way, have you heard Eminem talkies?
I have. I'm a big fan of yours, as you know. I've worked with you.
I would have wanted to start Eminem talkies when you were around. I'm sure we would have had an army section. But anyway, थोड़ी देर पहले जो आपने एक बात बताई थी, that was very interesting. That while you were on radio, there was this wonderful incident that happened with you. Can you share that with us, please?
I was on a radio on 14th August night. That means 1 से 4 जो कि 15 की सुबह होती है, 15 अगस्त की. And I was doing a show related to Independence Day. बहुत सारी बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो रही थी, लोगों को कॉल इन लिया जा रहा था.
और जैसे रेडियो जॉकीज करते हैं, अपने देश के लिए कुछ करिए, ये करिए, वो करिए.
बिल्कुल, देश के लिए करो, सोशल वर्क करो. And I was a social worker as well. I was talking about myself कि मैंने ये किया है, वो किया है. But at the end, I got a call from a listener. She asked me, भैया आपने बहुत अच्छी आप बातें करते हो, you speak really well, you've told us right things, लेकिन आप इस छोटे से कमरे बंद दीवारी के अंदर ही सब चीजें करते हो और अगले दिन भूल जाते हो. अगर तुम्हें इतना ही कुछ अगर आपको लगता है तो फौज क्यों नहीं ज्वाइन कर लेते. So this is for that lady who inspired me to join the force, and I would want to tell her that yes, तुमने जो बोला था सही बोला था. सिर्फ बंद दरवाजों के बीच में बातें मत करो, आगे बढ़ो और देश की फौज ज्वाइन करो. And radio is a powerful medium. Eminem is also a powerful medium. So through this, I would like to convey that yes, still we are lacking 9,000 officers in Indian Army. I would want everyone, हर youth, हर एक बंदा जो सोच सकता है कि वो फौज ज्वाइन कर सकता है, he should come up and he should serve the nation for at least 7 years. You have a short service commission that you can opt for. That same thing that I have opted for.
Well, it might be right that at one point of time I had inspired Deepak Mishra, but today Deepak Mishra inspires me. Lieutenant Deepak Mishra inspires me. This quote, which is written right behind me: "Follow me, lead into battle," with the Indian national flag flying high right behind us. It couldn't have been better. Thank you, Lieutenant Deepak Mishra, for making me so proud, man. I'm so proud of you. Give me a hug. Guys and guys, this is live from Chennai OTA. If you guys are inspired, stay tuned. There's much more happening.